Hello, Type Twice here. In today's video I'll be showing you how to stabilize shaky footage in Premiere Pro using the warp stabilizer effect. So let's get right into it. Let's say we have some footage that was recorded really shaky, like this. And now we want to fix it by stabilizing it, just like this. To do that, first go up in the effects panel and go into the effects right here. In the search bar you want to search after the effect called warp stabilizer right here. Now take the effect and drag it onto your clip. Just like that. Next go to the effects control and scroll down to the warp stabilizer effect. And then press cancel. Before we press analyze, we want to change the result to no motion, which means it will stabilize the clip. When you have chosen no motion, you can now start analyzing. It will now analyze the clip, as you can see right here. This can take some time depending on the length of the video. When the analyzer is done, you can now play the clip again, and it's now stabilized. It's that simple. This was all for now. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you in the next one.